Hey traders! Welcome back to the channel AFTechTrades. If you want to trade like a pro and consistently profit in both Forex and crypto markets, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you the must-have strategies that professional traders swear by, the kind of insider knowledge that separates winners from losers. Whether you're a complete beginner or already trading, but struggling to make consistent profits, this video will give you practical, easy-to-understand tools to elevate your trading game. So stick around till the end, because I'll also share some bonus tips on mindset and discipline that many overlook. Let's jump right in. The foundation. Know your market inside out. Before you even think about placing trades, you need to understand how the markets actually work. Forex and crypto are very different beasts in many ways. Forex is more stable, tied to global currencies, while crypto is famously volatile and driven by hype, technology, and sentiment. But both require solid market knowledge to succeed. Here's what you must do. Study market structure. Learn to identify trends, uptrends, downtrends, sideways. A trend means a directional movement of price over time. Trading with the trend increases your odds. Key support and resistance. These are price levels where markets tend to pause or reverse. They're essential for timing your entries and exits. Economic calendars and news. Big events like central bank announcements, inflation reports, or regulatory news can cause huge price swings. Always know when these are coming and decide whether to trade around them or sit it out. Example. Imagine you're trading Bitcoin, and there's a major US Senate hearing about crypto regulation tomorrow. Professional traders often reduce their risk or avoid new trades ahead of such events to prevent unexpected losses. Master risk management like a pro. This is the number one reason most traders fail: poor risk management. Even the best strategies can blow up your account if you don't manage risk properly. Never risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. If your account is $1,000, that means risking only $10 to $20 per trade. This way, even a string of losses won't destroy your capital. Use stop-loss orders. Always set your stop-loss before entering a trade. It's your safety net that cuts losses automatically when the market goes against you. Calculate reward-to-risk ratio. Professional traders look for setups where the potential reward is at least twice the risk, 2-to-1 ratio. For example, if your stop loss is 50 pips away, your take profit should be at least 100 pips away. Real life story. I once had a friend who lost 70% of his account in one trade because he ignored stop losses. Don't be that trader. Protect your capital above all else. Must-have trading strategies explained. Let's dive into the core strategies pro traders use day in and day out. I'll break down each strategy and give you tips on how to apply them in Forex and crypto. Price action trading. Focus on reading candlestick patterns like pin bars, engulfing candles, and dojis. These give clues about buyer and seller strength. Combine price action with key support/resistance zones to time entries perfectly. Avoid relying heavily on indicators. Price action is pure market behavior and tends to be more reliable. Trend following. Identify the dominant trend on higher time frames for hour daily. Use moving averages like the 50 and 200 EMA or trend lines to confirm trend direction. Enter trades on pullbacks or retracements to get better price points. Pro tip: when trading crypto, trends can be sharp and fast. Use tighter stop losses and be ready to exit quickly. Breakout trading. Look for consolidation zones or ranges where price moves sideways. A breakout occurs when price moves beyond these zones with increased volume. Enter on the breakout candles close to avoid false breakouts. Confirm breakouts with volume spikes or momentum indicators. Bonus strategy. Combining volume analysis. Volume tells you the strength behind price moves. A breakout without volume is often fake. Always check volume to confirm your trade setups. Building the right trading mindset and discipline. No strategy works without the right mindset. Trading is 80% psychology and 20% strategy. Stick strictly to your trading plan, no impulsive trades. Accept losses as part of the game. Don't chase losses or revenge trade. Keep a detailed trading journal. Record every trade, your reasons, emotions, and outcomes. Review it weekly to spot mistakes and patterns. Practice patience. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. Wait for perfect setups. Motivational thought. Imagine your trading account as a growing tree. You must nurture it carefully and protect it from storms. Overtrading or risking too much is like chopping the tree down. Bonus tips and tools to trade like a pro. Use demo accounts to practice without risking real money. Get comfortable with your strategy. Consider automated tools like trading bots or alerts, but always understand how they work before trusting them. Join trading communities or mentorship groups to stay motivated and learn new insights. Stay updated with market news daily. Knowledge is power. So, there you have it, the must-have strategies and mindset to trade like a pro in Forex and crypto. Remember, consistent profits come from discipline, risk control, and smart strategy, not from chasing quick wins. So, there you have it, the must-have strategies and mindset to trade like a pro in Forex and crypto. Remember, consistent profits come from discipline, risk control, and smart strategy, not from chasing quick wins. If you found value in this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future trading tips. Drop a comment below if you want me to cover any specific strategy in more detail. Thanks for watching, and until next time, trade smart and stay profitable.